It's Monday morning. This is the free breakfast offered at Margaritaville Inn. It is actually really impressive. So today we have scrambled eggs, potatoes, bacon, and Belgian waffles. Belgian waffles. Oh my god, that looks good. I'm going to have waffles again, and that's my favorite. Alright, we're heading home. I got a little of the Christmas lights. This is the main strip in Pigeon Forge. They have these nice snowflakes on all the poles. Most of the hotels definitely have Christmas lights. It's very cool. It's Monday morning. Oh, that one's cool. And we got our free breakfast at the Margaritaville Inn. And now we're heading home. It's an 8-hour drive. And the first 6 hours are going to be fine. But the last 2 hours we're going to be driving through snow. St. Louis had a major snowstorm yesterday. My nieces didn't. And today, okay, honey. He says it's still snowing today.
It is.
The nieces, their school was canceled. My sister still has to go to work. I'm waiting for her. It's early. As you can see, it's still dark here. But she goes to work super early, so I'm sure she will call me when she has a moment at work and tell me how the roads were. But I think we'll be fine because we're driving a major interstate and I'm just heading home. 8 hours. Fun times. I'll just ramble while we see if there's any other Christmas lights. I'm kind of bummed. The only thing we didn't do that I wanted to do was we never made it to Dave & Buster's, which I think is right up here on the left. Wasn't it? Wasn't near Ripley's?
Yeah, it was around here somewhere.
There's a Hard Rock. Yeah, no, it's Dave & Buster's. Anyway, there's a Hard Rock. There's Wonderworks. There's Ripley's. There's a Dave & Buster's somewhere up here on the left. We never made it. It's just we ran out of time. We were only here for like a day and a half. So, that's Smoky Mountain Opry. Yeah, anyway. That's the only thing we didn't get to do that I wanted to do. But I know we had a lot of fun, so I definitely think we will be back. Oh, and the lights just turned off. Did you notice that?
I did.
All the snowflakes are like, well, that one's on. Some of those back there are not on. Because it's that in between where the sun is rising. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's all I got. I'm tired. So tired. I didn't get that much sleep last night. The beds were comfortable, but I don't know. The pillows suck. I'm gonna have to start bringing my own pillow because I like a nice firm pillow, and all hotels have is sad, soft, overused pillows.
Yeah.
That one has lights on. Yeah, I really am gonna start packing my own pillow. I don't know, and I pulled a muscle in my shoulder, and Robert has the same problem. I don't know what we did. I don't know if it's the bed we sleep on at home, but we both won our left shoulder. That's Dave & Buster's?
Yeah.
But that's definitely not walkable. It's back there.
It looks like a Home Depot back there.
It does look like a Home Depot. It says it's only like a mile and a half from our hotel, so we're like, we could walk that. Like, no, that was not walkable. Anyway, what was I saying? We both have, we pulled something in our left shoulders. And it's weird that we both have the same problem. So it's either because we both sit at desks all day long, or because there's something wrong with our mattress. I don't know. Anyway, sometimes it just makes it hard to sleep. That's all. Enough rambling. I don't see any more Christmas lights, and now it just looks like a strip. A big strip. It's a lot bigger than Branson. See, it's like 4-lane. Branson's only 2-lane. Lots of stuff to do, though. Alright, we finally hit the snow. We're 2 hours away from home, and it just started snowing. Well, like 10 miles, but I forgot to start recording. We're just slowly following the state trooper.
It's 31 degrees, which doesn't help.
It's 31 degrees, which means it's freezing time, and that's what I don't like. I don't mind snow if it's above 33 degrees. When it's below that, it makes Robert nervous, me nervous, we're all nervous. It's pretty out.
We saw a car in the ditch.
We saw one car in the ditch so far. I just wish I was enjoying the snow at home in front of my fireplace, not having to drive 50 on an interstate.
I know. Probably should have delayed it a day, but whatever.
It is what it is. Of course, the minute I put my phone down, the cop that was just in front of us had to pull over. There was a car all the way in the ditch, like on the other side of the ditch. So we are going to go really slow. It was a small, sporty car, so I'm just assuming they hit a slick spot. So, yeah, we're going to go extremely slow. Pretty sure we were supposed to be home at 2. I bet we don't get home before 5.
Was that the one that got over?
No.
Oh.
No, we did have a semi pass us, but
Yeah.
this is not.
So I said that's all they know how to do. They like to drive real fast, and then they go off the road. They think they're exempt.
Yeah. So
Nobody's exempt.
we did have one semi pass us.
Because there's a little ice under there. That's what everybody's forgetting. They're all driving so fast, and they forget that there's ice under the snow. So if it's just snow, it's one thing. It's not.
So we're taking our time, sticking behind this red truck.
Yep. Maybe a lot later. I have no idea. I don't really care.
Yeah. Oh, there's another truck on the left in the ditch.
Yep.
See, you know you got four-wheel drive, don't mean anything.
Nope. Just gotta be careful. Gotta go slow. Don't worry about the trucks because they're all in a hurry and they don't think that this weather's gonna affect them. I don't want to get taken out.
No, I know. There's a car on that side, and then there was a car earlier on this side. Very slow going. We have 60 miles to travel. 60 miles. That's going to take us probably 45 hours.
Might take longer. Could be. It'll be dark. Yeah, it's really snowing.
It is really snowing. There's a cop, state trooper on that side. Wonder if they're just like driving up and down and see the conditions. I think so, yeah.
Oh, Jesus
Okay.
Christ.
Just this guy's sliding. Slow down.
It's
I
fucking
think it's like a sheet of ice right here.
Yeah. Dude, back off me. It might be better just to drive in the fucking snow. I don't know.
I think that's why that semi's going so slow, because it's all ice right here. Oh. That's another truck in the ditch. I'm pretty sure he passed us.
He did.
And there's
He
another
was one of
truck.
them over here. They came by us 100 miles an hour.
Could you turn your wipers back on? There's another. So we're now down at going 20 miles an hour. Oh, that one's been rescued. You see how they have like an orange?
And that's a four-wheel drive.
See how they have that orange? I'm pretty sure, like an orange like ribbon. I'm pretty sure that means that the people have already been rescued, so that way the road workers know. Because they're not going to try to tow any cars today. No, if no cars are being towed today, they're just rescuing the people, and they'll come back. I think this is only supposed to last today, and then the road crew will come back tomorrow and the next day and get all the cars out of the ditches. We're still 60 miles away from our final destination. We're just gonna stay behind this semi. He seems to Is that a car? No, that's the overpass. He seems to know what he's doing.
He's not driving like an ass. That's good enough for me.
Yeah.
And you know what I mean? You do that crap and you end up off the road. You end up driving like these other people. I don't want to. Rather just go slow.
Alright, we finally got out of like this, like the 20 mile per hour traffic, but this is still nervous because this is when people, like this guy right here, has to get in front of us. Why? You had a right lane.
That was weird.
So this is where it gets tricky.
He didn't even clean his goddamn car off.
Well, he probably, yeah. But this is where it's just could be just as bad because everyone's trying to catch up on time. It's still a little slick. We're still 40 miles from home. It's still nerve-wracking. I don't know. Next time we do a trip like this, we will definitely consider staying an extra night. We just never even thought of it, but we probably should have stayed another day in Pigeon Forge, but that's okay. We're fine.
Really?
Alright, listen, I'm a nervous wreck. I'm about ready to have a breakdown. I'm about ready to pee my pants. I would sell my soul for a bottle of water. There's so much going through my mind right now. There's the arch. So, once we got close to St. Louis, the roads cleared up. They are definitely been plowed. But for about an hour, it was nerve-wracking in Illinois. It had not been plowed. And it was very slow going. But Robert doesn't mind driving by downtown. It's not my favorite, but I think it's
just more direct.
It's more direct. There's a couple different ways to get to our house.
Just curves, that's all.
There's, you know, I usually take 55 or 44, but 64 is a direct route. So he's driving. He gets to choose, and we got to see the arch. So I don't know. I say this every time. I live here. I can see the arch anytime I want, but every time I see it, I like it. It just makes me feel like, wow. Is that semi? I don't know what that semi's doing. Please don't be getting. Oh, that truck.
See, that's the kind of crap that causes accidents. Everybody gets fooled in that spot because they're like, should I do 55 or should I do?
He is so lucky he did not hit that median.
I know.
Oh my god.
It's ridiculous.
All right, there's Busch Stadium. There's the arch back there.
I could use some Tums right now.
I could definitely use some Tums right now. Busch Stadium. Lots of snow. There is actually a Blues game tonight, and we don't have tickets for it. But we did get a text that it's not canceled, so they just said be safe on the roads.
Good luck. You know, with the sidewalks, they don't.
I'm looking, and those roads don't look plowed.
They're not. It's
So,
St. Louis. They don't do crap.
Yeah, Stifle. It's right on the other side of
It's
this
gonna be
building.
one big sheet of ice tonight.
Yeah, if I had tickets, we would not go. We would sell them real quick on StubHub. Yeah, that doesn't look like these roads are plowed whatsoever. All right, that's the Blues. Okay, maybe we'll see it on this side. There it is. That's the Blues Enterprise Center. So, pretty much anyone who lives in the city might get some really good deals on Blues tickets today on StubHub.
Yeah, but you gotta walk through the snow to get to them.
You gotta walk through the snow. And here's the new St. Louis Aquarium. It opens on Christmas Day, and we have a Ferris wheel, which if you saw my Pigeon Forge videos, they have a Ferris wheel. And then Branson got a Ferris wheel, so I guess we're joining the Ferris wheel nation. I don't know. It looks just like the other two. It's cool. We'll ride it when we go to the aquarium. But
When it opens, is it?
the aquarium opens Christmas Day.
Does it? Okay.
We're not going Christmas Day.
No.
We'll wait like the first week of January. Holly was saying she has the whole week off, so
Oh yeah,
We'll
can
go-
see the blue lobster.
the Blue Lobster. Anyway, I'm gonna get off and I'll get back on when we get closer to our house. I hope this is. I see conditions reduce speed. I'm not gonna say anything. We'll be home soon.
This road.
All right, we are past downtown. Oh, there's a cop, so everyone's braking. Just wanted to show you all the snow on the trees. And why is this guy getting in front of you? He didn't. I guess he did. Why is that's interesting. Is he warning people that it's
I
icy
don't know.
right there?
It doesn't help when somebody just cuts over, though.
I know, but that cop don't want anyone in the right lane. We see right now.
Obviously, yeah. Because some fool doesn't know how to drive. Several fools don't know how to drive.
Anyway, I was just going to show you the snow on the trees, not the
Fools.
crazy drivers. And so yeah, this road is better, but it's still icy. We've slid a couple times. Still,
It's all turns. It's
definitely. I can't wait to be home. Cannot wait to be home. All right, we made it home. Look at our lighthouse in the middle of Missouri. There's this lighthouse in the middle of Missouri.
There's snow on it.
So we're home. Most nerve-wracking 8-hour drive. That actually only put us an hour and 10 minutes behind.
I'm shocked.
So I know Robert was like, it's gonna be like 5 hours. So it was only an hour. I better get off. So goodbye. All right, we're home. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. Robert's gonna get the bag. I'm gonna go do the kitty shots. Everyone, the kitty shots. The cats are happy when we get home. Let's see what they're doing. All right, where are you all at? Where are you at? Oh, there's Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hey. Yeah, I know. I know. Let's go find the girls. Come on. Dad's getting the suitcases. Come with me. Let's go find the girls. All right, Monkey's in her bed. Hi, Monkey. We're home. These beds are heated. That's what these cords are. So she don't want to leave her nice heated bed. And I bet I know where Sunny's at. There you are. Hi. How are you doing? Are you happy we're home? Yes? It was a long 3 days. We had the worst drive ever just to get home to see you. Yes, we did. Ollie's feeling left out. All right. There you go. I bet Dad would like you to go say hi to him. Let's go help Dad unload the car. Come on. Come on, Ollie. Let's go help Dad unload the car. Ollie, come on. Are you just gonna rub your face the whole time? Or are you gonna come on? All right, I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. She's in her bed. Dad, I knew you'd follow. You heard Dad's sound. You heard Dad's voice.
Hi.
Come on, are you walking alongside me? Come on. Look, there's Dad.
Hey, fella.
Come over here.
You don't know her.
He's rubbing his face on everything. You
He's
don't want
like,
to.
I don't need you.
I don't. He's like, forget you, Dad.
What's he doing? He's all wound up.
He's all wound up. He's happy to see us. He's got to use his scratching box.
You gotta see the wheel wells. They're like full of snow. I might have to pull the car back out because it's so messy.
Oh.
We're gonna have so much water in the garage.
Okay, we can shake it off real quick. All right, I'm gonna go help him with the car. Bye, Ollie. We'll be right back.